During production of an emulsion product, two incompatible chemicals were mixed. The chemicals reacted and produced flammable hydrogen gas that ignited, causing a massive explosion that killed 4 workers and destroyed the company's production building. Sometime before 8 p.m. on May 3rd, a second shift operator likely obtained the batch ticket with instructions for how to produce the second batch of EM652. This batch required the use of 8 drums of XL10. There were also likely 2 or 3 drums containing 10% potassium hydroxide remaining in the emulsions area. As a result, there were up to 11 nearly identical drums containing both XL10 and 10% potassium hydroxide in the production area. The operator added the first 2 ingredients to the batch tank, which included XL10. But at some point, while completing the initial steps, the operator likely misidentified the 10% potassium hydroxide drums that remained in the area for XL10 and incorrectly added potassium hydroxide to the tank. Potassium hydroxide is highly reactive with chemicals that contain silicon hydride bonds, such as XL10. The reaction of these chemicals rapidly produces flammable hydrogen gas. Shortly after the chemicals were mixed, the contents of the tank started to foam and overflow onto the floor. The operator began to yell, and several additional workers ran to the emulsions area in response. A fog also formed, which spread through the low bay. The workers did not realize the material released during the upset was hazardous, and there were no functioning gas detectors to warn them to the dangers of the hydrogen gas. The workers did not evacuate the building. 2 operators were directed to ventilate the building, but before they could take effective action, at about 9:35 p.m., the hydrogen gas ignited, causing an enormous explosion and fire. 4 AB Specialty workers lost their lives, and another was injured. The manufacturing building was completely destroyed.